Welcome to English Est 2018. If you've ever flown through an airport and felt nervous about speaking English, don't worry. In just a few minutes, I'll teach you the most useful phrases for check-in, security, boarding, and arrival. Let's begin your journey with confidence. Phase 1. Check-in. The first stop is the check-in counter. This is where you show your passport and drop off your bags. Hi, I'd like to check in for my flight. Can I check this suitcase? Do I need to show a boarding pass? Is my seat in the window? The airline staff may ask, did you pack this yourself? Just say, yes, I did. Do you have any liquids? That means drinks, creams, or gels over 100 ml. Phase 2, security and immigration. Next is security screening. You'll put your items in a tray and walk through a scanner. Do I need to take off my shoes? Should I remove my laptop? Can I leave my jacket on? Sometimes security staff speak quickly. It's okay to ask, could you repeat that please? Or, sorry, I didn't understand. Then comes immigration. If you're flying internationally, they may ask, why are you visiting? For tourism. How long will you stay? 10 days. Phase 3, gate and boarding. Once you pass security, head to your gate. That's where you wait to board the plane. Useful questions. Is this the gate for flight 204? What time does boarding start? Is the flight on time? Can I board with this group? Always listen for announcements like, we are now boarding rows 1 to 10 or final call for passengers on flight 204. If you're unsure, just ask politely. Phase 4, arrival and customs. When you land, you'll go through customs and baggage claim. Where is baggage claim? Do I need to fill out this customs form? I have nothing to declare. I'm staying for a week at the Hilton Hotel. Yes, I have a return ticket. That's it. You're now ready to fly through any airport in English. Let me know in the comments where you're traveling next. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical English you can actually use.